The double-edged safety razor K2 dual handle by Pearl Shaving is an exceptional tool. This razor features a unique dual handle design, offering enhanced control and comfort, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and seasoned shavers. The sturdy silver finish not only looks stylish but also offers durability, ensuring a long-lasting product that maintains its elegance over time. The K2 razor is compatible with double-edged blades, which provide a close and precise shave while being cost-effective and environmentally friendly compared to cartridge razors. Pearl Shaving is known for its quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, and the K2 model lives up to these standards with an ergonomic handle that enhances grip and stability. With this safety razor, you'll experience a smoother shave that reduces irritation and razor burn, making it ideal for sensitive skin. The double-edged safety razor design is perfect for reducing nicks and cuts while maintaining the classic feel of a traditional wet shave. Its balanced weight makes it easy to maneuver, and the twist-to-open mechanism allows for easy blade replacement, saving you time while ensuring safety and reliability. The K2 dual handle razor is an essential tool for anyone who values efficiency, style, and precision in their grooming routine. How to use. To use, simply load a double-edged blade by twisting the handle open, inserting the blade, and closing the razor. Use short, light strokes for a close shave. The double-edged safety razor K2 dual handle by Pearl Shaving is designed for those who appreciate the precision and control of a traditional double-edged shave. With its dual handle design, this razor provides flexibility and comfort, catering to both experienced users and those new to wet shaving. The ergonomic handles, with their unique silver finish, offer durability, elegance, and a secure grip that enhances overall control and safety during shaving. This razor is compatible with most double-edged blades, offering an affordable and environmentally friendly alternative to cartridge razors. The balanced weight distribution and smooth twist-to-open mechanism make it simple to change blades, providing a safer and more user-friendly experience. Pearl Shaving combines tradition with innovation, producing high-quality shaving products that cater to enthusiasts who appreciate timeless design and modern functionality.